Hello, welcome to the Detailed Recipes channel. Traditional meat bread varieties will be made in this video. You can watch how the best meat breads are made in the meat bakery restaurant. We wanted to prepare a nice video for you with the best meat baker in the city I am in. Firstly, you can see how to make meat bread dough, how to prepare meat bread in detail, and how to make meat bread, its size and shape. What are the salads and appetizers that accompany the meat bread? How to serve meat bread, you can watch them all in detail in this video. Adding water, salt, sourdough, to make dough. Wheat flour is added and it will be mixed in the machine for 10 minutes and become dough. Water or flour can be added depending on the consistency of the dough. The dough is ready after 10 minutes, sprinkling oat bran in plastic containers. The dough is placed on the bench and it is necessary to divide it into equal pieces, at least 180 gram. Dough sizes and shapes should be that way. The dough needs to be covered for 1 hour after preparing the dough. Onion and non-hot green peppers are prepared for meat bread. Tomatoes, onions and peppers are added into the machine, they are crushed. Animal tallow is used, this is lining oil, cow, beef or calf. The lining oil you see is chopped in the machine. Chopped animal and minced vegetable paste is added. This is ground beef, completely whole cut beef. The ingredients are all mixed well and only salt is added, no spices. Bread dough with meat is formed by hand. Cheese pita. For meat bread, at least 250 grams of filling is added to the dough. By tapping by hand, the mixture is stuck on the dough. Buttermilk can be used to slightly wet the dough. Meat bread prepared with finely chopped steak called as between knives. Optionally, both can be made in one dough, so you can understand the difference. This Mevlana is known as bread with meat. It is made by adding extra cheese on the minced meat mixture. Pita is made using a special moldy cheese. This is a completely traditional cheese with antibiotic effect. After the fire is lit in the oven, pitas and meat breads are stretched on a shovel. You can be sure that the dough is well kneaded and stretches as it should. The meat breads will remain on the fire for an average of 4 minutes for browning. Since the fire burns from one side, the bread must be turned over after a while. Since this cheese is a little dry, butter should normally be poured on it. Meat breads look like this when they come out of the oven. Bread with meat is served on a plate in this way so that it does not cool down immediately, but it has a traditional serving style. Traditional meat bread serving is placed on a long wooden plate. Mevlana meat bread tasting test will be done at the end of the video. Besides the meat breads, spicy vegetable mash and haydari are offered as appetizers. Salad with lettuce, carrot and purple cabbage that we know as seasonal salad. Optional onion, tomato, pomegranate syrup, olive oil and lemon juice. Now you can watch the Mevlana meat bread tasting test.
Öncelikle eti kaşar ilave ediyoruz. Mevlana'nın özellikle şu şekilde tuttuğunuz zaman farkındaysanız arkadaşlar bu çok önemli arkadaşlar.
Cheese and meat grown in the city of Konya, Turkey, is derived from animals fed the natural way.
Nefis, çok harika. Gerçekten.
We have come to the end of a detailed video recipe prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. See you again in a new recipe video. Goodbye.